morning, everyone. I thought today I would show what a earthquake and tsunami drill sounds like, because currently my town is doing a practice one. You might be able to hear the lady at the moment speaking and just saying in a couple of minutes they're going to start the practice for their emergency drill if a big earthquake or tsunami comes. So I thought I would just show you guys what it sounds like in Japan. But yes, once she's finished telling everyone that it's going to start soon, and once it starts going off, I'll go outside quickly and just show you what it sounds like. So stay tuned. Let's have it. That's if you're ever in Japan and you hear those sirens, be careful. It means something's bad's happening. So probably an earthquake or a tsunami. So hopefully if you ever come, you never hear those sounds. But if you are hearing those sounds, it means something bad is happening. I hope you enjoyed this little clip of what to expect if there ever is an earthquake or tsunami.